Here I'm performing barbell RDL. So you can see here what I just did was stacking my ribcage on top of my pelvis before I initiate the movement. Now when I do a barbell RDL, what I think about doing is keeping a neutral spine but pushing my hips back. The only reason why the barbell goes down is because I am initiating the hip backward and that bar just comes down. Now as I'm doing this, the key thing here is keeping that ribcage stack on the pelvis throughout the entire movement, pushing the hips back and then driving the hips back forward to bring that barbell up. So don't think of this as a vertical intent movement, think of this as a horizontal intent, pushing the hips back and pushing the hips forward. Now similarly here you can see I'm keeping my ribcage stacked on the pelvis. I exaggerate this so that you can see that what I'm doing here is really ensuring that I stack my ribcage down on my pelvis so that they are parallel with one another. Once I get it stacked, I get a neutral spine, I take a brace and I push my hips back and push my hips back forward. Right, so it's a horizontal intent, driving my hips backwards and driving my hips forward. In terms of whether we start off the ground or use a rack, that is completely up to you. I prefer to use a starting position with the barbell on the rack just so it becomes much easier. One more thing is also keeping a foot pressure on the midfoot. I don't want it on your heels or on your tippy toes. I want on your midfoot throughout the entire time, and this is very important, as well as using a strap if it's too difficult for the forearms.